Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're working on a Volkswagen Jetta MK5. If you have a Golf GTI MK5 Jetta, we'll show you how to remove that front right here. You can see the front grille. It's pretty simple, so stay with us. That's the only tools that you will need. So you need a T25 start looking bit, and right here we'll need to remove that screw. So we need to go ahead and take this one off. We have many videos on that car and as a whole Volkswagen. Also on our main channel guys, make sure you check it out, World Mechanics. It's growing crazy fast and we have two amazing builds there. Okay, we remove that one now. So two screws. Now we need a Phillips screwdriver, and let me show you right here. There is two screws that you need to access. Okay, there, right under the grille. So you need to go ahead and remove those. Okay, all the way. One screw and one right here. Okay, almost getting there. And now on top right here, if you see those, we need to squish to the front. Okay, and we need to get a screwdriver for those because they're pretty tight. Okay, like that, and the one right here now. Okay, also there. Then you need to grab it guys, pull up, okay, straight up, and the whole grille comes off. You need to make sure that metal plate right here, that you still have this one. If not, you need to install it, okay, right there. It goes in a certain place, okay, like that. Otherwise you will not be able to reinstall it. And that's the grille right here guys. So that's how you remove it if you need to replace it. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.